Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate campaign reporting exports from LinkedIn ads, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your LinkedIn ads account. Navigate to the campaign manager. Select the specific ad campaign you want to analyze. Click on the reports tab within the campaign manager. Choose the type of report you wish to generate. Customize the report settings according to your preferences. Export the report by clicking on the Export button. Choose the file format for the export, typically CSV or Excel. Download the exported report to your computer. Open the exported report file. Familiarize yourself with the columns and data points provided. Identify key metrics that are crucial for your analysis. Cross-reference this data with your campaign objectives. Ensure that all relevant metrics, such as impressions, clicks, and conversions, are present. Look for any discrepancies in the reported data. To authenticate the data, check against the numbers directly in the LinkedIn Ads interface. Review historical performance data for consistency. Ensure that the time frame of the exported report matches what you selected in Campaign Manager. Generate a summary of the main findings from the report. Compare this summary with previous reports to track progress. Document any anomalies or concerns regarding the data. Prepare to share your findings with your team or stakeholders. Make recommendations based on your authenticated data analysis. End the process by ensuring your report is saved and organized for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.